Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about the practical in geography. The practical part is belonging to the third book, that is very important. This comprises the 30 marks, and that is very valuable for you. In geography, this 30 mark make the subject very scoring, but for that you need to do much labor and give your presentation in very proper way. One thing, that is, it is having two parts. In the first part, the geographical representation, data analysis is there, computerization in geography is there, and thereafter in second part, field survey or geographical information system is there. So from both the part, the questions are asked in the board examination, board practical examination. Student, the most important thing here I want to tell you about the practicals, that when the examiner comes to your school, so the examiner always see only two things. Two things comes uh, before the examiners associated with you. One, through Viva VOCI, the examiner analyze the things, and thereafter the practical file or practical record. So that is comes before the teachers, the examiners, and from that only it analyzes the things about you, what you have written in your practical copy. That is not so important, because at that time you remain prepared, and in most of the time you do well in that. But analysis of your work all through the year, which is shown by you through your practical file. So two parts are there. One is practical file, other part is associated with the field survey or GIS survey. So I am going to tell you about the practical file. That is very important for you. Your whole year work is this. I want to tell you that in whole of the year you have to complete this practical file, as its different chapters are being completed. You should complete all the part. So here I want to show you some of the practical file. Students, as I told you that the geography practical book number 3 is completed with this. So this is the cover page of your practical book. I want to show you the content here, that is given here. Here you can see the first chapter is associated with data, its sources and compilation. Second chapter is data processing. Third chapter is graphical representation of data. And fourth chapter is use of computer in data processing and mapping. So these chapters are associated with you with the first part, that is practical file, and thereafter chapter number 5, that is field survey and spatial information technology, that is associated with spatial analysis. For that you need to do survey, and thereafter another file will be prepared. So here I want to show some cover page. I am showing you, this is the first file. Thereafter the second file is this. You can see here, according to your creativity you can decorate it, as your file is also here. According to your creativity, you can decorate the cover page. But before doing this all, you need to improve the condition by preparing all the chapters. I want to show here the practical file, the pages of its uh, different pages. Here you will represent the first page as geographic practical file. Your name will be mentioned. Thereafter your teacher's name, the class, the board roll number will be represented here. Thereafter you will show here the content or the uh, title page, that is content page, that will be represented here. And thereafter your first chapter starts like this. Chapter 1 you will represent it like this. You can see here how beautifully the things are being represented here. In clear writing it is represented. Thereafter this flow diagram is present. Through that different type of data is represented. Thereafter the next page, sources of data, that is being represented. You are able to recognize the things. Now the next page, in which different published sources, unpublished sources, that are being represented. Thereafter here tabulation has been done. On the right hand side page you will write the detail, and on the left hand side page you will do calculation related work. Here the tabulation is being given. Here the percentage of population, total population of India according to state, that is given, that is being represented here like that. Here the index number has been found. So where you are doing the written work, on the left hand side page you have to represent that. Thereafter here the tabulation has been done with tally marking. You can see here tally marking is given here. And how do we do tally marking? That is being represented here in this page. Thereafter the next page, processing of data, grouping of data, that is given here on this page. You can see here. Thereafter here simple frequencies, cumulative frequencies, exclusive method, inclusive method, frequency polygon, this all has been represented. So you can see here. Similarly the diagrams are drawn here. This is frequency polygon. Here the frequency distribution has been shown. In the next page the ogive has been drawn. The less than ogive and the more than ogive, and thereafter combined less and more than ogive has been drawn. Firstly we have find out the less than cumulative frequency, thereafter more than, thereafter the combined form of less than and more than is represented through table, and thereafter it has been drawn here in this on the left hand side page. So here less than ogive, thereafter more than ogive has been represented. Thereafter this is combined form, that is less and more than ogive has been represented. Here the junction point, this is showing the median point. I want to show now the next chapter, that is being shown like this. You can go through this. This is related with data processing. This data processing has the measures of central tendency. You can see here. Thereafter, the three measures of central tendency are median, mean, and thereafter mode. What are these? That is represented here. Thereafter, computing methods are present here. You can see here different computing methods are represented, and simultaneously on the left hand side you are doing calculation of that, and thereafter, students, here calculation is also given here. You can see here the different methods, that is for classified data. It is represented here in this page, and now here the calculation has been done. Students, the important thing here, that is the median. Next point, how to compute the median of any data, that is represented here, and thereafter here calculation has been done. You can see here how the calculation has been done and how you have to represent the data. Thereafter, here comparison of mean, median, mode is given. This is covering all the part of practical which is given in your NCERT book, students. Thereafter, you can see here the data which is represented graphically, and the relationship between mean, median, and mode is represented through these diagrams. Now, the next we have represented the dispersion. That is very important. Apart from central tendencies, the dispersion is also important. You can see here the different dispersion methods. Here in your syllabus, the range is important and standard deviation is important. About that you have to write, and thereafter you will need to know about the formula to find out the standard deviation. Range is the difference between maximum and minimum, whereas standard deviation is find out with the formula given here. I want to show here the calculation which is being represented. Two methods are given. One is related with the computation of standard deviation of the ungrouped data you are observing here, and through by grouped data we are doing it like this. Firstly we make the table, and thereafter calculation with the help of this formula. Thereafter the other part, that is coefficient of variation, that is found out with the help of the formula given here, and thereafter the CV is find out with the data from the previous example of standard deviation, in which standard deviation upon mean into 100, through that we find out the coefficient of variation. And here I want to show the rank correlation. Correlation means relationship between two variables, that is being represented here. You can see here also, and direction of correlation, in which direction it is going. Its direction is represented with the graph here, and similarly the range of rank correlation is given with this data. From -1 to +1, the rank correlation always present. So here in the next page we'll find out the degree of correlation that is being represented here, and thereafter the what is perfect correlation that is given here. Thereafter other correlation, how are they find out, that is given here. Similarly here the weak negative correlation, moderate positive correlation, strong positive correlation, that is being represented with this diagram. Here the graphical representation has been shown, and thereafter students, here the method to find out correlation that is given, and here is he has given this formula to find out, and thereafter this is the different variables which is being utilized. Now you should go through this example, and here the tabulation, how the tabulation has been done, how the calculation has been done, you can see here. And now we are moving to the next chapter, that is chapter number 3. Here graphical representation is very important. You can go through this graphical representation. So general rules for drawing graphs, that is given here. Diagrams, maps are also represented here. So here first of all these are also important things, that is title, legend, and direction. That is important for graphical representation. And thereafter here selection of suitable methods, selection of suitable scale, and design, that is also important. Now construction of diagram. So here in your syllabus, line diagram, pie diagram, bar diagram, and when rows, and thereafter star diagram, flow chart, that is in your syllabus. Different type of line diagram, different type of bar diagram is given here, so you can go through that. This is the showing the line diagram. Thereafter how to represent the line diagrams on graph, how to prepare the graph, that is given here. Now the line diagram, what is that, how do we construct the line diagram, that is given here. And thereafter polygraph, that is represented here. This polygraph has a very important thing, that is different articles, items are represented at a time on the same graph, and comparative analysis is important for this. So here you can see this is polygraph. Thereafter the bar diagram, first of all we will write about this, and thereafter like this, the table is showing the data, and that is represented on the bar diagram. Now the next is the line and bar diagram, that is very important, and that is utilized especially for showing the temperature condition of a place as well as the rainfall condition. Argograph is also an example of this. You can see here line and bar graph. Thereafter multiple bar diagram, that is being shown with this, that is shown here. Different items at a time are represented here. Now students, the next is compound bar diagram, and compound bar diagram is being represented here. You can see what is that, what is its importance, and thereafter how do we construct it. Its method is given here, and that is being drawn on this page, left hand side page. Thereafter, pie diagram that has been studied by you in previous class, like in 9th and 10th. So here pie diagram, its specification is given, and thereafter this is example through that this has been shown. Thereafter the flow diagram, that is very important. The flow moment of the density of movement is represented in flow diagram. So here we will write firstly here we will draw like this, and thereafter here how to draw, that is given, how to draw the flow diagram. Thereafter here another flow diagram has been drawn, the base map is given here, and on the basis of that we what amount of water is flowing or how many vehicles are moving. According to that we draw the flow diagram. The most important part, that is thematic map, that is important part for the practical written test. So one thematic diagram is map is given in your examination. So a thematic map that is related with certain theme, that is given here. How to draw this? The dot map is there. Thereafter the choropleth is there, isopleth is there. Three thematic maps are there which are important for you. The classification of thematic maps. Thereafter dot map, how the dot is selected, its method is written here. The precautions which is required, that is given. Thereafter the construction method, that is also given, and this is drawn like this. You are observing it. The data is given on this side and the map is drawn on this side. You can see how small dots are represented on it. The according to density, its density has been increased. You can see here the dot map, and thereafter next is choropleth. Choropleth map is given here, and thereafter you will write the requirement of drawing choropleth, steps to be followed, that is mentioned here, and thereafter the construction method, and thereafter classification, that is given here. You can see here the classification has been done, and the drawing you can see here on the map. Here it is like this. The most denser is shown with dark color. Lighter than that is showing the less than that density. Thereafter, as it is becoming light, it is shown with different lighter shades of same color. So this is choropleth, and thereafter here isopleth is present. This is there. The method is given, requirement is given, how to draw the isopleth, how we do interpolation, what is interpolation, that is important part of this, and through this we can represent this all. Apart from that, in this isopleth we represent the data in this manner, and on the left hand side we will draw the isopleth. So as such we have completed the third chapter. Now fourth chapter, use of computer in data processing and mapping, that is given here. It is hardware configuration, software requirement, that is also mentioned here. Apart from that, the hardware, what are the hardwares that is utilized, that is given here, that is to be shown. And thereafter output devices, what are these, how they are being represented, you can see here. Now the MS Excel, and cell operation in MS Excel, that is shown. Thereafter computer software, that is being utilized here, and data processing and computation, that is represented here. As different steps are given. As such, you can see here, you can see this page also. So as such, your file has been completed, and in whole of the year this is to be completed. That is why. So students, you have gone through the video and you have seen that how the students are doing effort to prepare the file. That is very required, because this is the phase of yours before the examiner. So you have to prepare the file very well, and when you will reach to the examiner, he observes the or she observes the work which you have done whole of the year through this file. And apart from that, apart from this, your viva, that is very important, that plays a very important role. So you have to prepare for that, but that has no limit from any part of geography, any of the book. Apart from the book, the examiner can ask the question, because you are doing the specified studies about the geography. So here I am closing this session now. Stay safe and healthy.